Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how I cook my banga soup. Actually, it's my husband that taught me. So here I pour in my banga, I mean the palm fruits juice. I don't know what is, I think, yeah. So I poured everything, then I'll add this. I'll use my spoon, my preferable spoon for this is it. Then I'll use it to mix the perforated spoon, then I'll use it to mix to press, to do everything I could to make it melt. Yeah, as you can see guys, everything has been melted. Then I'll pour in my protein. I have beef tribes, then I have meat red. Yeah, that's what I have, which is meat, beef, lungs, everything is there. So after then I'll add in my blended bitter leaf. Yeah, you can see how creamy and yummy it looks. Yeah, then I'll rinse the essence on the bowl. Yeah, I'll add everything to eat. Thereafter guys, I forget to add my banga spices because I got the already blended one, which I don't like. I like to blend my banga spices myself, so in this video I skip the spices here. So here I had my fish, and the head of fish is there for my husband. Like we have like about 4 or 5 head of fish there because it's my husband, he likes head of fish. I don't know why you. So here is it. Then I'll leave it to cook for a while. Then guys, I forgot to add my stockfish, which I later cooked aside. Then I later turn it inside later after everything has been done. Then I later pour it inside and I recooked again. Here I add my blended crayfish. Yeah, so then after I had my stockfish, then I recooked again. Yeah, because I forgot. I don't want to lie, I forgot. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if there's anything missing in this video, you can tell in this soup, you can